I hope you enjoyed getting stuck into some NLP using sentiment analysis. Before we go any further, we need to cover vectorizing our text. If you think all the way back to section 2, we covered text pre-processing, and I mentioned there was 3 different steps to this. The third step was getting the data in the right format for machine learning. This is where text vectorization comes in. Passing clean text into an algorithm isn't enough. We need to convert this into a numerical representation that the machine learning algorithm can understand. There's a few different ways to do this, and we're going to cover 2 of the most common methods, the bag of words model and term frequency inverse document frequency, often just shortened to TF-IDF. The bag of words model is a really simple method. It just counts which of our words appear in which of our documents. It's simple and easy to understand, but you do lose a lot of context. TF-IDF captures a little bit more of that context. It calculates the importance of that word for that particular document and takes into account how that word also appears in each of the other documents in our data. We'll cover the specific calculation of TF-IDF in that lesson, but for now, let's jump straight in and start creating our bag of words model.